Ratio of area. Now we'll try to understand ratio of areas in right triangle. Consider the right triangle ABC shown here. D divides AB in the ratio of 1:2. That means if AD is 1, then DB is 2. And E divides AC in the ratio of 1:2, as shown here. So that means if A is 1, then EC is 2. That is what we mean by saying dividing into the ratio of 1:2. What fraction of the triangle is quadrilateral BDCE? That means we need to find the fraction of this quadrilateral BDCE. Okay, so that quadrilateral. So that is the question. And we are given 5 choices. So I'd like you to pause the video, solve the question, and then check my suggestion. Let's look into the problem once again. It says, consider the right triangle ABC. So this is the triangle ABC. D divides AB in the ratio of 1:2. That means if AD is 1, then DB is 2. That is what it means. And E divides AC in the ratio of 1:2, as shown here. What fraction of the triangle is quadrilateral triangle DBCE? So we need to really compare the area of DBCE with the area of total triangle. That is what we need to compare. So how can we do it? So let's try to make similar triangles within this triangle. Now since D is dividing into the ratio 1:2, we can have a division here also, so that we have 3 equal divisions. Similarly, we can have 3 equal divisions on this side also. So let's draw parallel lines. So I'm just trying to show you a construction which will help us to answer this question. Now, so that is how we can kind of connect it. Now, if I join these, then what happens? Let me just join this with the help of parallel lines. So I have a line DE. If I join with line parallel to this here, and then I can form or see some more triangles in them. So let me just make these triangles very clear to you. So what I will do is I'll join. This is not a very accurate diagram, but it will kind of give you an idea. So let me join it like this. Now you see we have triangles. How many of them? And all of them are congruent triangles, right? If this would have been accurately done in the ratios, so that means 3 equal divisions, right? That means each is equal. In that case, how many triangles do we get? We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 9. There are in all 9 triangles here, right? So the total area is equivalent to 9 triangles area, right? So we can write 9 here. How many of these triangles fall into quadrilateral CBDE? 8 of them, right? So we get 8/9 as our ratio. Do you see that? So the option is C for us. So that's kind of a tricky question. But if you do a construction like this, you will know how these ratios of areas are related, right? So interesting thing is that if we divide this into 3 equal parts, right, all sides, and join them together, then we get 3 square number of triangles. If we divide it into 4 equal parts, we'll get 4 square, 16 congruent triangles. That's kind of interesting. So I'd like you to try more questions which are similar to this and get to know your triangles better. Thank you and all the best.